Important note, this video is in a 4K, so please zoom to the particular section that you want to see, so and move ahead. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we are gonna do is to compare the copy speed of different SSDs. So this is a video which I'm making on my viewers demand. So they have asked me to make a video on this topic with the file size more than 50 GB and show us the copy and paste speed. So for the sake of my word genuineness, let me show you that my task manager that I really have, that I'm using a CPU Intel 11 Gen 11 900K and 3200. Where is this is not showing right now. Let me reduce the size and extend this. Now as you can see that it's 3200 megahertz of RAM, and this disk 0, as you can see, disk 0 is a hard disk drive of 7200 rpm. Consistent is the brand. Disk 1 SSD, as you can see, is the Samsung 870 Evo 1 terabyte, and disk 2, as you can see, is Western Black SN850X 1 TB. This is a Gen 4 SSD. Disk 3 is same WD Black SN850X Gen 4 SSD. Disk 4 is Samsung 970 Evo Plus, and disk 5 is Samsung SSD 981 TB, and disk 6 is Samsung T7 external SSD. So we are going to test all of them for the copy and paste speed requested by viewers. So I'm making this one, and right now let's go to this PC and to downloads, and where is the file, to videos. Here I have let me zoom it, Avengers Endgame movie worth 63 GB. So 63 GB what the file size is. And now let's paste this one to our first drive, which is WD-SN850X, and see the copy paste speed. So as you can see, we are getting more than around 3 GB, more than 3 GB. So this is the speed what we are getting. This is a Gen 4 S. So now it's time for Samsung's turn. So let's go to downloads, videos, and copy the same thing. Here I have copied, and let's go to this PC. So it's time for 970 Evo Plus. So let's paste and see how much we get. So this is a Gen 3 SSD, and on an average we are getting up to 2 Gbps per second of speed. Samsung 970 Evo Plus. So we have made, and now it's time for another Samsung 980. So this, what I'm going to do is copy the same thing. Here I have selected the copy. Now I'm going to paste it inside this this drive, which is 980 Samsung's, and see how much we get. So as you can see that we are getting on an average 2 GB per second, which has decreased to 1.5. So it's a Gen 3 SSD. So it has been done, and on an average we got around 1.5 Gbps per second. So now it's time for Samsung 870 Evo, which is a SATA SSD. so which promises the speed of 560 mbps. So let's see how much really we get. So let's go to this PC, and this is 870 evo from Samsung, with a read speed and write speed of 560 mbps. So on an average what we are getting is more than 500, but it has decreased to 300. And so as you can see, we got a constant speed of more than 400 mbps per second for a 60 G for a file which is more than 60 GB. So now it's time to copy to this T7 external SSD. So let's copy the movie. How much we get, let's see. So we are getting more than 600 mbps per second. This promises a read and write speed of 1 GB per second. This is a T7 Samsung T7 SSD external. I'm using a type C cable to type C to type C, so that's why I'm able to get this much speed. So now we have finished checking all of the SSDs. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment to my channel. Thank you.